Hello everyone, welcome to Raw Perfect classes. My name is Rachna Rana. I have 20 years teaching experience. Today I am going to discuss lesson number 5 of matrix and I am taking two examples which is most important for the university exam like this. Find the matrix X such that A plus 2x is equal to B given that A is equal to in square bracket 5 4 minus 1 7 and b is equal to 2 4 minus 5 9. First of all, we solve the equation, that is a plus 2x is equal to b. In this equation, first of all, we keep 2x on the left hand side and we take the a on the right side. X is equal to 1 by 2 and in square bracket b minus a. Now we substitute the value b's and a's. After substituting matrix of b and a's value, we solve this equation. We implement here subtraction method, subtraction operation of matrix. 2 minus 5, that is minus 3, minus 5 plus 1, minus 5 minus minus 1, minus 1, minus minus plus, this is minus 5 plus is equal to plus 1 is equal to minus 4. So we write here minus 4. 4 minus 4 0, 9 minus 7 that is 2. After subtraction we multiply 1 by 2 with this matrix and we get minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 2 and 0 2 by 2. Which value is cut? That value should be cut. 2 2s the 4, 2 1s the 2. Now final we get the result minus 3 by 2 minus 2 0 1. This is your answer of X, because in this question they ask us what is the matrix X, and like this question, like this we can solve the equation. And next question is express the matrix. B matrix is given and we have to find the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. First of all, you have to clear what is a symmetric. Symmetric means when we take square matrix, then A plus A's transpose is a symmetric. Symmetric should be square and in skew symmetric, A minus A's transpose is a skew symmetric. Now I am going to solve this question. In this question, they ask us sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric. For this, first of all, we write B plus B's transpose divide by 2, because in question we given B matrix. So for sum we use here plus sign, and for skew symmetric we use B minus B's transpose divide by 2. Now what is a B's transpose? Transpose means when we write rows in the form column and column in the form row. For example, this is a row 2 minus 2 minus 4. We write in the form of column 2 minus 2 minus 4, and second row minus 1 3 4. We write in column form in second column minus 1 3 4, and third is a 1 minus 2 minus 3, and third column is 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is a B's transpose. Now we put the values in the formula. B is 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 2 minus 4, 4 minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1, 3, 4, 1 minus 2 minus 3 and divide by 2. Now after solving this question, we get 2 plus 2, 4, minus 2 minus 1, minus 3, minus 4 plus 1, minus 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 3, 3, 6, 4 or minus 2, 2 and 1 minus 4 minus 3 and minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. Now you can divide by 2. Next step is B. Next step is B minus B's transpose divided by 2. B minus B's transpose divided by 2. Now again write statement, that is 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 2 minus 4, 4 minus 3. After transpose, B's statement again change, 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1, 3, 4, 1 minus 2 minus 3 divide by 2. After solve this question, we get 2 minus 2, 0, minus 2 minus minus plus, yani means minus 2 minus minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. And next minus 4 or minus 1, that is minus 5. Minus 1 minus 1 minus minus 2, minus 1 minus minus plus, that is 1. 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 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 plus, minus minus plus, that is 6. 4 plus 2 6. Now next 1 minus minus 4, 1 minus minus plus, that is 5. Now next is minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 minus minus plus, oh sorry, we have a minus 2 minus plus 4, minus minus plus sign minus 6, minus 3 minus minus plus 3 minus 3 0. Now we get these two values after addition and subtraction. Last values is 4 minus 3 minus 3. 4 minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 6 2. Minus 3 6 2. Minus 3 2 minus 6. Minus 3 2 minus 6 plus 0 minus 1 minus 5, 1 0 6, 5 minus 6 0. I take 1 by 2 common both sides. After addition, 4 plus 0 0 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 3 minus 5 minus 2, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, 6, 2 or 6, 8, minus 3 plus 5, 2, minus 6 or 2 minus 4, minus 6 plus 0, 6, 2 minus 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 4, 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is a 3, no, minus 3. This is a minus 3. After addition, minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 8, and now we get here minus 4. You can check that after the symmetric skew and sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, we get that value which is given already in question. Means you can get after the addition of, you can get after the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric, you can get original matrix which is given in your question. This is called the skew and symmetric matrix. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe it to your friends so that they can take benefits from this video.